beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and today I have for you my December empties. So if you're curious what's in this bin, then keep on watching. In this video I'm gonna talk about skincare. If you're interested in like hair care, body care and makeup, that's gonna be in the second part. However, let me start with skincare. I'm gonna start with the face wash. This one is from PACIFICA Rose Kombucha Flower Power Face Wash. Removes makeup, cleans, tone. It has rose fermented tea, powerhouse antioxidants. It's for all skin type and it's sulfate free. This is one of the, let's call it the green movement products. PACIFICA has many different items. I tried this one but as a small size. I believe it was last year inside one of their kits and I did like it, and obviously I purchased the full size. It says that it removes makeup. Obviously if you're gonna do double step or double cleanse, yes, it should take care of it. Did I like it? Yes. The product, it has like a jelly consistency, but it produces a lot of foam. One thing which I have to warn you, it's very fragrant. So if you don't like scent in your skincare, I would say stay it away. However, I did enjoy it and I already have another one waiting on me. This one is 5 ounce, which is almost 150 ml. And it is affordable. I think it's around $10. This item has my approval and I already have a backup waiting on me. I'm gonna follow up with the pore strips from Up&Up brand, which is the Target store brand. Deep cleaning pore strips compared to Pure deep cleansing pore strip. Removes dirt or blackheads for cleaner looking pores. If you use the Pure pore strips, those are the strips which you put on top of your nose, wait a few minutes and then just take it off, and all the dirt and grease, blackheads and whatever else is up there, it should be on that strip. I don't mind the strips from Pure. However, those ones are really comparable to the other ones. So yes, I decided to swap for the Target version. And I think this is like my third or fourth box, so obviously I do like it. I have couple sachet from PAULA'S, that's their cleanser from the Resist line for normal and dry skin. It reminds me a lot of the CeraVe, so in case if you do enjoy PAULA'S and if you are on a lookout for a cleanser, this one was nice. From the same brand, I have their 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid, unclogs, shrinks, enlarge pores, smooths even skin tone. If you have problematic skin or if you want to clean it up because it's, let's say there are some things which you don't want to show it to the world, this one, it's good. It's been on the market for a long time and I know it's one of their best-seller items. That's a small sample. And I think this is my second or third one. Either way, I did like it and I will repurchase a big one. I have a small sample of the moisturizer from STRIVECTIN Re-Quench Water Serum Hyaluronic Electrolyte Moisturizer. Even though it was small, it did last me for a few times and it has a consistency of the NEUTROGENA Hydro Boost. The only difference, this one was, let's call it purple in color, and it was fragrant. If you don't like scent in your cream, you can just easily go for the NEUTROGENA. It says Electrolyte. I'm not sure about the electrolytes. It states that this one has hyaluronic acid and electrolyte. Sure, it has hyaluronic acid because it did hydrate. With the electrolytes, I have no idea because it was only a small size, so I really didn't see it too much difference. I have a couple items from PAULA'S. That's their cleansing cloths, which supposed to quickly wipe away makeup and impurities. If you do wear makeup but not a lot, then yes, this can work. If you wear waterproof eyeliner or mascara, this thing will not take care of, so you're gonna struggle. But if it's like a powder or eyeshadow, sure, it should do the job, but no, I will not repurchase. Another item from their Resist line is their Barrier Repair Moisturizer for normal and dry skin with retinol. I did enjoy the product. I already have a full size of it. It says retinol, but it's gonna be a small percentage. So in case if you wanna slowly transition to using retinols, yes, you can easily start with the moisturizer and then introduce the actual retinol. Next item are the acid pads from First Aid Beauty. Facial Radiance Pads helps exfoliate and brighten. Technically, it's a pad which is infused with liquid, and those one come with AHA. I think it was 10%. I already used a couple of those jars, and I do like it. From Jaya, we have their eye cream. That's their goat milk eye cream for dry and let's call it wrinkle skin under your eyes. It's a nice moisturizer. It's very gentle. If you don't have too big expectations from eye creams, this one is nice because it hydrates, and because it's with goat milk, it's very gentle. Next item, it's a sample, or it's say one ampoule of the Vichy vitamin C serum with peptides. Because it's a, let's call it an ampoule, you could easily use it 2 or 3 times because the product was so liquidy. But because they give you the little stopper, it will not oxidize too fast. If it was nice, yes, it's good for travel because you can take only like 1 or 2 of those and you're good to go. However, because the full package, it has, I don't remember how many, but I know if you buy the ampoules by themselves, they're kind of expensive. So it's cheaper if you're gonna buy the bottle by itself, or should say something else from another company. But if you prefer something to travel with, yes, those ones are perfect. A couple toners. First is from MISSHA, from their Super Aqua line, Ultra Waterful Jelly Mist. It was the actual jelly mist. So when you were spraying on you, there were droplets of jelly. The way how I use it, I spray into my hand and then I just distribute all over my face. Yes, it was hydrating. No, I will not repurchase because I have many other products to go through. And the second one was the Skiderm Hyaluronic Acid and Coconut. I purchased this one from Amazon. It's a big bottle, 150 ml, which is 5 ounce. This one has hyaluronic acid and coconut. Hyaluronic acid is very hydrating, and also coconut has hydrating properties as well. Because it has the coconut, it smells that way, but it's not that sweet scent. It's a scent of coconut water, which is way gentle than the scent which you meet in the sunblock or tanning products. Sticking with the hydration, I finish up the Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder. That's their new version, which have probiotics. I use this product for many years, and yes, I do enjoy it. I already have a new bottle and couple with the old formula. What it does, it repairs your skin while you sleep. I finish up a face mask from Aveeno. This one comes in an orange tub. There are a couple others, but this one is with pumpkin seed extra, supposed to soothe. It was nice. It has a texture, not really texture. It has a, it was a creamy clay mask, which I did like it. And yes, it was really pleasant to use. I have a small size of Vichy Double Glow Peel Mask with volcanic rock and AHA. It was a nice jelly mask which you're gonna apply on your skin and then keep it for a few minutes. Because of the AHA, you're gonna get chemical exfoliation, but the volcanic rock has a small particles, so you're also gonna receive the physical. Yes, I do like it. I think this is my second or third bags of it. The small size, it's half ounce, which is 15 ml, and yes, it's gonna last you for a few times. I did enjoy it, and yes, I did purchase a full size of it. Staying in the subject of mask, I have the Origins avocado mask, overnight hydrating mask with avocado and glacier water. This is one of my favorite masks from Origins. I like it because once you put it on, you have that immediate hydration, and in the morning your skin does looks and feel way better. I do like it. I have couple full sizes and also bunch of samples. If you get chance to try one item from Origins, try their avocado mask because it is worth it. I'm gonna move over to the sheet mask. I have the Fusion Sheet Mask with roses and violets. Rose water soothes skin, violet provides deep nourishment. I did like it. It made my skin look better. However, because of the two main ingredients, which are flowers, it was really scented. So if you don't like scent in your skincare, just skip it. But otherwise, it was a nice item. Then from MISSHA, I have their Super Aqua Snail Mask, which comes in two pieces. So you have one for the upper face and lower part of your face. It's a hydrogel mask, which has a jelly texture. But yes, I did like it. I went through many of those and I do enjoy it. If you need like a hydrating something for you, this one is great. I do enjoy the Leaders in Solution masks. That's one in their old package. Collagen boosting renewal mask, firms improve elasticity. This particular one comes in orange package, but they have many different colors. There is pink, yellow, blue. I'm sure there's another one. This is an old package, so in case if you do decide to buy it, it's not gonna be looking like this. However, the items, it's wonderful. I did enjoy it. Even though it's a sheet mask, it has such a nice texture. It feels like putting a silk on your face, and because there is so much juice, you can easily use it up as a additional layer of a hydration. But yes, I did like it. I went through many different masks, and yes, I do recommend them. Another brand which sheet mask I do enjoy is the Earth Therapeutics. First one is their green tea mask, soothing, revitalizing, hydrating, and second one is the aloe vera, calming, healing, hydrating. Those two are my favorite because when something is wrong with your skin, aloe vera, it's always helping, and green tea, it's one of those miracle ingredients which people just overlook. But yes, I do enjoy it because their masks are big enough. You know, sometimes when you take out the sheet mask and it's not big enough, or the holes are too small, or you have to struggle and try to adjust somehow. No, those masks are big enough so I can easily put them on my face. The masks are really wet, and also there's enough juice that you can use the remaining essence as a toner. Another mask from MISSHA is the Real Essential Sheet Mask Platinum Intensive Clarifying Care. Pure cotton sheet mask, energy with platinum ingredient, make your skin clean. This mask was okay, however, I prefer their Snail mask because it's way better. Few items left from Soap and Glory. I have one of their sheet mask. That was the Skin Smoothing, Pore Refining, Refreshing Treat for Oily Combination Skin. Even though it was for not my skin type, it did kind of the job. Let's say when I'm breaking out and I need something extra, this one was nice. No, I'm not gonna use it a lot because I have a dry skin and this is too much. But once in a while, yes, it will do the job. From the same brand, I have their eye patches. That's the Under Eye Brightening Puffy Eye Attack. I don't have puffiness, but I use it underneath my eyes to give the extra hydration, and I did enjoy it. I went through a couple of them and they are nice. From PAULA'S, I have a sample of their coconut sugar facial scrub, polishes, exfoliates with raw coconut sugar. If you're familiar with the body scrub, which have either sea salt or sugar, and you can feel the granules, that's the way how this one feels. Yes, eventually the sugar is gonna dissolve, but you're gonna feel that grittiness on your skin. Now I'm not gonna repurchase because I prefer a small particles and also the chemical exfoliation. So no, This one, it's a no-go for me. I have 2 items left. First is the Sunday Riley Autocorrect Brightening and the Paving Eye Contour Cream. What it does, instantly delivers lifted and the puff look with reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. With the dark circles, I cannot really tell you too much because I don't have them. Fine lines, it did hydrate, so obviously the line is going to disappear a little bit. It was a nice creamy consistency. It did the job. It was a sample which is 0.1 or should say 0.01 ounce 3 ml. It was okay. I think I have one more of those. No, I will not repurchase because it's Sunday Rally and it's kind of expensive. And you can easily find another product, or should say another creams which do the same but for way cheaper. And the last item is from Indeed Lab. That's their Nano Blur Instant Correction of the appearance of skin aging, including the look of fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, and enlarged pores. What is it? This is like a primer for your face. So when you take it out, you have a clear, okay, so you have like a white paste, and then you just smooth it all over your face. It will make your skin look better. However, you need to be careful when you put it on, because I tried use this as a primer and no, it wasn't a good choice because whatever I put on the top was peeling off. Apply over moisturized skin with makeup. Pat it gently over liquid foundation or under press loose powder. I try to use this as a primer, and no, it wasn't a good choice. So yes, please follow an instruction. Do I like it? Yes. I already applied on this hand, so if you can see it, this one it's better looking. I do like this product. However, there is something which my skin doesn't like. What I mean by it, at the end of the day, I'm gonna have 1 or 2 new blemishes. And it happens that every time when I put it on, they are always appearing. As much as I like this product, I'm gonna get rid of it. I try to work it out and take breaks in between. But you know what? I don't want to deal with the pimples, so no, I'm gonna just get rid of it. However, they have another versions of it which comes with color. The one with green, no, I have one with green inside, and that one is fine. I have no issues with it. But the original one, there is something which it doesn't go with me. That's all what I got for this part.